So Mike's daughter got him this as an early birthday present because his birthday's in June. So it's the Big Boss Oilless fryer. So I'm trying some onion rings in it right now. 450 degrees for 15 minutes. So we're going to see how they come out. I just put a few in there for lunch. So it uses like infrared heat and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's an oilless fryer, so we're going to eliminate the deep fryer. They smell good so far. If you guys would like me to do some cooking videos with this, because I'm going to be experimenting with this over the next bit, because you can make full meals in here, chicken, everything. So it actually came with a cookbook, which I don't know where it is right now. Mike put it somewhere. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do some meal prep meals in this thing, then let me know. Came out nice and crispy on the outside. They look good. Pretty, pretty bird. Pretty, pretty, pretty birdie. Pretty, pretty bird. Here, you want some? You're using the cutter bone, are you? Alright. Pretty, pretty, pretty bird. You gonna let him have some? Hey! You gotta stop. You're so mean. She's so mean. She's violent. Pretty, pretty birdie. Here he comes. No, stop being mean to him. Ocean, stop being a mean. He's scared of her. She's constantly pecking at him. Pretty, pretty birdie. Let him have some. Ocean. Come on. Let Atlantic have some. Oh, hold on, sweetie. You just like that, don't you? Yes, I know you do. Mommy do with it. What's your mama do? What do you say, Star? What you up to on this fine Sunday? Did the birdies peck your nose? They did, didn't they? Had the cage down on the floor and the birdie pecked your nose, didn't it? Yeah? You're such a pretty girl. And what are we talking about over there? Where's Cassie? Where's your ice cream? Where's your toy? Go get your toy. Hey, where's your toy? Go get your toy. Starbuck, go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. You want to lay down with me? Do you want to have a Sunday afternoon nap? Come on then. Come lay down. Well, what are you two saying up there? It's him, Squawky Atlantic.